Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Vussy Magz. You know the vibe. This your boy back in the building. You feel me? So, hey, man, say in today's video, basically, this video was supposed to be a chill stream number 6. You feel me? But you see where I'm at right now. There's gonna be a power cut, so it's not gonna be that long even if I make it a stream. So I just figured, you know what? Let me just make it a so I'm just gonna make 2 separate videos from this whole thing. You feel me? So in this one, basically, I was actually chilling on our thing on Telegram, public Telegram channel. Link is in the description box below. It's totally free. So the thing now about this Telegram is it's mostly just about advice, you feel me? So most of the videos that I drop, you're gonna find them there and stuff like that. Sometimes even analysis and what. So even the analysis that's gonna come from the video that I'm gonna shoot after this one, you're gonna find the analysis right there, you feel me? So yeah. So the message I was looking through a message today and I was like, yo, I actually need to elaborate on this on a video, but I don't think I can find it because this one says what? One of the most effective ways to maximize the amount of money you make in the industry will always be to become friends with people who are also in that field. Yeah, so this one, we actually did a video on this before where we talked about the importance of actually surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals so you can elevate, you understand? And there's not going to be hate and stuff. Or maybe there's going to be hate when you guys are successful or whatever, but say being with people who are in the same industries, it just makes it easier for to avoid a lot of problems and judgments and negativity that you don't need, especially as a trader. You feel me? So, but that's not the message I want. We already made a video on this, G. So yeah, you know what you gotta do, man. You gotta like, comment, subscribe, click the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any future drops. I've actually been dropping for a while, you feel me? So yeah, I think this is the message now that I wanna resonate with you guys, right? Let me just highlight it. Hopefully it's visible. So yeah, while challenges may arise, see them as valuable lessons that will sharpen your abilities. You understand? This is more of a complex way, but to quite frankly how do you say summarize it? Yeah, to summarize what I'm trying to say here is that I'm sure anyone who's a trader right now, how many times have you heard the say, hey, you need to learn from your losses and stuff? So this applies to not only forex but in other or whatever you might be doing in life. You can always apply this, but we're talking about forex right now. So if you miss out on an entry, there has to be a reason why you miss out on the entry. You understand? And let's say if you held on profits for too long and then you blew the profit and then you actually blew the account even though your trade was in profit. How many times did this happen to you? To all my beginners right now, how many times have you held a trade, it went to nice profits and then you kept holding and then suddenly it just started dropping and your profits, you watch them, you watch your profit shrink and shrink and shrink and shrink until now it wasn't even your profits, it was your account shrinking and shrinking until it was totally obliterated. So the stuff I'm talking about, it does happen, you understand? So how many of y'all actually have been through something like that? It's a lot. So these are some of the concepts I'm trying to teach you. It's the psychological part of doing things, you understand? It's not just about you find a strategy. You can find a strategy, but either way, if your psychology is not at the right place, it's always gonna it's always gonna give you a problem, and you tend to think people are scamming you or people are teaching you stuff that's not working. Because I remember at some point there was me. This is actually kind of a story time. There was me and my boy we used to trade with, right? So while we were operating, I remember he found the strategy and it worked for him, but he introduced me to the strategy. He would make money and I would always ask myself like, yo, what's up with how is it possible? Maybe this nigga's not showing me something, you understand? So that's the kind of stuff. But once I work on my psychology and mental, I realized that it was actually showing me the right stuff. It's just that psychologically I wasn't that mature yet to play the long game. I was trying to get rich now instead of, you understand? So on the next point that we need to talk about, it's embrace setbacks and losses as stepping stones to improvement. Learning from them, refine your approach, and get back to the game stronger than ever before. So about this, now I was actually thinking of an idea where now, let's say if I can fund someone's account, isn't it? There's a lot of people always say, "Yo, Vussy Magz, can you fund my account and whatever?" What if I actually do that and I document it just to show you guys on YouTube what's really going on out here? You understand? You'll find someone, and most of the times, 9 out of 10 times, that person is gonna blow. Because now, if you had a strategy, I'm telling you, you'd be making money already. Because even from $200, if your strategy makes money, you can start growing the $200. So it just goes to show you that, you know what I'm saying, it's not always, the answer to your problems is not always money. Sometimes you need to put in the work first. So yeah, embrace the setbacks, the losses, stepping stones to improvement, learn from them and refine them. That's the whole purpose of trading. Any trader who basically doesn't use a robot or this other stuff trade this way. We all went through the in and we basically went through the whole way. We played the long game, and the long game, you have to be patient, which is something not everyone is willing to experience. You guys just wanna make your money now, so maybe you should buy a robot. But I don't know, man. If y'all know any robots that actually do what they're supposed to do, y'all can let me know in the description box below, in the comment section. So most importantly, never underestimate the power of perseverance and patience. Trading is a journey, not a sprint. Yeah, this is basically just extrapolating from what I was saying to just going deeper and deeper. There's this thing I always ask, like, do you think motivation is needed more than discipline in this thing of trading, or basically in anything, dog? If I had to get motivated every time to post a video or reshoot a video or whatever, I wouldn't even do it. It's just now it's a habit and it's part of my daily schedules and stuff. So if you can do your things in that manner, where I used to even have a trading book, trading journal, but I don't really need that now because I'm always on the charts, always, regardless. I'm a mentor, so I need to always be on the charts. But the time I was doing my thing, I used to always have a journal where I know these are the trades I'm looking at today, made this much today, lost this much. But it just depends on how far you're really invested in this thing, you understand? I know this video might not get the most likes, but the people who will watch this video will understand what you're saying. And whoever's watching this video up until this part, this video is tailor-made for you. It's not tailor-made for anyone else who wants to, always see the money and stuff. I'm talking to the people who are really deep in the forex trading industry or indices industry. You understand what I'm saying? So stay committed, stay motivated, and never lose sight of your long-term goals. Yeah, I think the most important thing is how you set your long-term goals. You understand? It's not always about the short-term goals. I see the small wins, but as long as the long-term goals are there, and you trust in your abilities and you trust in yourself, because you have to believe in yourself in the process. The hard work is not for nothing. You understand? That's why I always say, dog, it's not even just about you're gonna start now and make money now. Sometimes, even if you get a job so you can fund an account, instead of going to people's comment sections there and asking for money to fund your account. Now your girlfriend is seeing you on other niggas' comment sections asking to be funded. You understand there's a problem, this thing. So, dog, just be self-reliant. Rely on self and do everything by yourself. No one is coming to save you, G. Me, I wish I had the advice I'm giving you guys right now. I wish we could look at a chart, but I think that might just be the next video. You feel me?